So, one of the rules in mathematics is that you cannot have radicals in the denominator, okay? So when you have a radical upstairs and downstairs, you can put in your calculator the fraction without the radicals and hit math enter enter to reduce it. And this should give you 5/16. Does everybody see that? So now I can replace this top guy with the square root of 5 and the bottom guy by 3√16.
Yes.
So does anybody know what the square root of 16 is?
4.
What's 4 times 3?
12.
Did I get the radical out of the basement?
Mm-hmm.
Is it simplified? Yep. So that is the final answer. So that was number 1.
Wait, what happened to
The first thing you're going to do here is you're going to put 6/8 in the calculator.
Yeah, and I got 3/4. And then you put 3.
So it's going to be square root of 3 over square root of 4. What is the square root of 4?
2.
So this is square root of 3 over 2.
Okay.
All right. Now, I am going to do another problem. I'm going to do square root of 8 over square root of 6. So here you would change 8/6 changes to 4/3. So this is going to be the square root of 4 over the square root of 3. So the square root of 4 is 2. It comes out clean. But the square root of 3 does not come out clean. Does you see that?
Yeah.
And there is now a radical in the basement. So I'm going to write it over here. I have got to get that square root of 3 out of the basement because one of the rules is you can't have a radical in the basement. And a lot of these, they clear up, but if they don't clear up, you got to do something, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply upstairs and down by that radical over the radical. Got it? So upstairs you get 2√3, and downstairs, what is radical 3 times radical 3? Time you have the square root of something times itself, it equals the number under the hood. All right? And this is the answer to when the square root of 6 is upstairs. This is the answer when the square root of 6 is downstairs. First thing we do is reduce 6/32, which would be 3/16. So now we rewrite it as 5√3 over 4√16. What is the square root of 16?
8. 4.
4. What's 4 times 4?
16.
16.
So it's 5√3 over 16 is the final answer. First thing we do is 5/80, which is 1/16, and then we replace that. The square root of 1 over the square root of 16. What is the square root of 1?
1.
What is the square root of 16?
4.
Times 4?
16.
So this answer is 1/16.